In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate NPV, or net present value, in Google Sheets. Understanding NPV is crucial for making informed financial decisions, as it helps assess the profitability of an investment over time by considering the time value of money. Fortunately, using Google Sheets makes this process smooth and straightforward. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open a Google Sheet, which you can do easily by going to your Google Drive and clicking on the New button. Select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. This will create a blank spreadsheet for you to work in. Once you've got that open, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now, move your cursor over to cell D3. Simply click on this cell to select it. This is where we'll be entering our NPV formula, so make sure it's highlighted. Cell D3 will display the result of our net present value calculation once we're finished. With cell D3 selected, you'll need to type in the following formula. Begin by typing an equals sign, which signals to Google Sheets that you're entering a formula. Next, type NPV, followed immediately by an open parenthesis. Now you'll want to enter D2, which represents the discount rate. After that, enter a comma to separate the parameters. Your next step is to specify the range of future cash flows. So follow the comma with B4:B15, which signifies that your cash flows are laid out in those particular cells. The colon here tells Google Sheets to consider all cells from B4 through B15 as part of the calculation. To complete the formula, put a close parenthesis, then add a plus sign, followed by B3. This portion of the formula accounts for any initial investment and adjusts the NPV by this amount. Once you've entered the formula correctly, it's time to see the results. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard to execute the formula. If everything has been input correctly, Google Sheets will calculate the net present value based on your inputs and display the result in cell D3. There you have it, a quick and efficient way to calculate net present value using Google Sheets. This method allows you to quickly evaluate various financial scenarios by altering the input values, such as cash flows or the discount rate, without having to manually perform each calculation. Thank you for tuning in today. By mastering how to calculate NPV in Google Sheets, you're well on your way to making more informed financial decisions with ease. Remember, you can always revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on these steps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.